This is the first video in the Embedded Board Farm or EBF Admin Guide series reviewing how to perform a variety of tests as an admin user. To start, the following steps will review how to install EBF with HTTP. First, download the software from LinuxLib. You will require 7Z compression tool to extract the EBF software. Install using the command below if not already installed. Change your current directory to the location where you have downloaded the EBF software. Extract the EBF software directory from the downloaded file by running the below command. After extracting the EBF software, run the below command. It will ask for a new installation or an upgrade. Choose option 1 for the new installation option. Press enter to read the EULA, End User License Agreement. To accept the EULA terms, type yes or hit enter. Type Y or Y to enable Lava option on EBF or hit enter to disable Lava option. Type N to disable HTTPS support, or hit enter to continue with HTTP. Type Y or Y to update the Docker network range or hit enter to continue with the default network range. EBF installation will be started. After successful installation of EBF software, change the current directory to /data/timesys/ebf/setup. Use cat with settings.conference file and look at the host IP address.